For decades, a local dance club has been highlighting the culture of Pacific Islanders here in the Valley and beyond. The Polynesian Club of Fresno just celebrated the end of their season with a summer recital. Take a look. Just look at that talent. The group was founded in 1972 and has grown to include more than 300 dancers. They focus on storytelling through traditional dance and music, bringing together performers of all ages. And joining us now, we have the leader of the club, Martha. Martha, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, I was at that summer recital. I want to talk about those performances because you had the littles, and then, of course, you see all of the age groups growing up. Tell us about storytelling through dance and sharing that culture.
Thank you. Yes, we had the littles. We start them at 4. Our oldest dancers are in their 80s. And we love that we're able to share with them a way to tell stories through music and dance. The way to tell the stories with their bodies, with the music. We teach dances from all of the Polynesian islands, Hawaii, Tahiti, Samoa, New Zealand, and Tonga. Wow. And I think you were there to watch a first-timer, right?
Yes. Well, we watched the whole show, and I have to say I was blown away. But I also know how much work is going into each dance. We, of course, saw the final product, but what does it mean being able to share that with the community, all of that hard work that those dancers do?
It's everything. It's more than just learning hula or learning oritaiti. For me, it's the culture, sharing the values of our culture. And the community that we build. So more important than what they learn in the studio, it's also the people and the respect that comes with our culture and how inclusive it is. And it's just a wonderful place to bring your children each week or for families to come. And I really love that for them and for me.
And which types of classes do you offer?
We have Polynesian dance, of course. So we teach men, women, children, like I said, all ages. We have Tahitian drumming, ukulele, and dance.
That's amazing. And how can people get signed up?
So we have a website, PolynesianClub.com. And on our website, you can register for classes. You can find out about free workshops. We provide workshops for free to the community about once a month where you can come and try a workout and just try it, see if you like it. We accept students twice a year. Our next time starting is in August, in just a couple weeks.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, but you can try it for free, and then you can also see what we're doing and where we're going to be so that you can check out classes and performances as well from our website.
Wow, and do you need to have any dance background or ukulele background?
No, everybody's welcome. We start you from the beginning. If you do have background, we can find the right class for you, but we can teach you all of it. Yeah.
Can I just say it was really fun seeing, some of the shyer girls just shine when those drums started playing. What is that to you? Instilling that confidence in little girls, little girls and boys.
Yes. It's so empowering for them for not only their personal development, but they know something special, something that not everybody has learned before, and they have such a big group of people behind them supporting them, and they feel very powerful and knowledgeable and proud of what they're doing on stage, sharing what they love from their heart through their bodies on stage.
Yes, I love that you said that they feel powerful.
Yes.
I love that. Martha, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And you can learn more about the Polynesian Club of Fresno by going to their website. There you can book a show or register for classes, and make sure to follow them on social media to stay up to date and find out when they're holding open Polynesian workouts.